Hey, sixth grade, I'm going to show you real quick how to draw a box and whiskers plot. So to draw a box and whiskers plot or a box plot, first thing you need is a 5-number summary. 5-number summary is your minimum, your maximum, small, big number, your median or your middle number, your center, and then Q1 and Q3. All right, so here we go. Step 1. What you're going to want to do is take the minimum and the maximum and make a dot. So minimum 2 over the number line, over above it, you're going to put a dot under above 2 for the minimum and a dot above 18 for the maximum. So step 1, you're going to put a dot on the minimum and the maximum. All right, boom. Step 2, then you're going to put lines for the 3 values in the middle, your quartiles, Q1, Q2, Q3. So again, lines. So line over 7, line over the median, 10, a line over Q3, which is 13. All right, so step 2, then we put lines on Q1, Q2, or your median, and Q3. Remember, Q2 is just your median. So to recap, dot over minimum and maximum, lines for Q1, Q2, Q3, and then the last part is you make your box and your whiskers. So first we make a box. For a box, you use the lines. Again, for a box, use the lines. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to connect these lines and turn it into a box. Boom. So connect lines to make it into a box. Last step, the whiskers. Think about a cat whiskers. They're just lines that extend. So then you're going to extend from the dot to the box, from the dot to the box, stop when you get to the box. So last step, after you connect the lines, connect the dots to the box. And that's it. There's your box plot. Done.